All right, so the median, the next measure of central tendency. So the median age in the United States is 38.2, using age data with ages given to the nearest tenth of a year. Now, the oldest state by median age is Maine, which is 44.9, and the youngest state is Utah at 31.0. Now, to find these values, researchers begin with an appropriate random sample. So again, we have to have this random sample to make it work. And then the data items, that is basically our ages, are arranged from the youngest to the oldest. Okay, so that's a key. We start with the smallest number and work our way up to the largest value. Now, the median age is the data item that is in the middle of each ranked or ordered data. So when you have the smallest to the largest, the one that's right in the middle is going to be your value. Now, what does that mean? What exactly does median do with the data? Well, it splits it down the middle like a median strip on a road. So to find it, again, we're going to arrange the data items in order from smallest to largest. And here's the key differences. There's two pieces, if or then. So if the number of data items is odd, the median is the data item in the middle of the list. It's the one that's exactly in the middle. So it's going to be whatever that number is. But if it's even, that's going to be something different. It's the mean of the two middle data items. So what's going to happen is your middle of the list is going to be between two data items. So then you have to take the average of those two data items to actually get our median. And so a lot of times that's going to happen. We'll have to do this average. If we're lucky, we can do this one if it's an odd number of data items. All right, so we're supposed to find the median for each of the following data groups. All right, first things first. Well, our first thing says we have to rearrange these in smallest to largest order. So that would give us 25, then 28, then 35, then 40, and then 42. Now, the middle of the list, well, that's going to be right here. There's two on this side, there's two on this side, and so the median is equal to 35. Okay. And that's because we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So n was 5. Now here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. N is equal to 6. So this one means we're going to have to find the average of the middle two terms. So for B, we have to, again, put them in smallest to largest order. So that'd be 61, then 72, 79, and then what, 85, and then 87, and then 93. So the middle two look to be those two. So what we're going to do is we're going to take 79 plus 85 divided by 2, and that's going to be our median. All right, so if we do that, let's clear this off. So we have 79 plus 85. That's 164 divided by 2 should be 82. Okay, so that's going to be our median of our second list of numbers here. So in this case, the median is equal to 82. And that was our average. And so then our median is what our average is. So it's kind of funny. We have to take an average to find a median, but that's just because we had the even number. And so we had to take the average of those two middle data points to be able to get what we need for our median. All right, so let's stop there and we'll come back for some more.